Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm standing outside the entrance of the Crow's Nest Station, and what a way to celebrate the 5-year anniversary of Sydney Metro with a community open day of the upcoming Crow's Nest Station, which will open very soon. In this episode, I'm going to give you guys, viewers, the behind the scenes at Crow's Nest Station before it opens to the public in a couple of months' time. Anyway, viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe tab at the bottom of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, here's a bit of an artwork that you just walk in from the Pacific Highway end. Anyway viewers, this looks familiar to my late grandpa who passed away in 1993. Upstairs, trams used to operate through Crow's Nest, and my grandpa had the honour of driving trams through here when they were in operation. But the operation ceased in 1958. This is going on YouTube, by the way. Sure. Yep. We just came down the Pacific Highway. Here's just a short film clip of the construction works that are happening here at Crow's Nest. CCTV footage up there. Baby change saver as well. Same drawer as Martin Place. You want to use it, just have to press it to lock it. Your coat hooks here. No lever on this one because this is operated by there's a sensor item out there which triggers it. Anyway guys, going to take a little walk downstairs. Looking south towards the North Sydney or Victoria Cross. Anyway, viewers, he is the railway tracks. They'll face towards Chatswood. And just look over here. I'm just standing at just 7.934 kilometres from the central buffer stop. And here's that came from Victoria Cross. Give you a walk through tour. That's a $50 billion trillion fine. snapshot here of the progress of the construction of Crow's Nest. Okie dokie viewers, I'm going to wrap up the video from the Clark Street end of Crow's Nest Station, so I'm going to wrap up the video. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video, and I'll see you next time. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.